Hello everyone, Extreme Travis here. I ordered this car kit off of Temu for my Kia Seltos. I thought it'd be cool to add a light, especially around the edge. But Temu sent me the wrong stuff. The one they sent me had the cigarette lighter on it when I didn't order it. I ordered the one that goes into my other light. It should just plug into this and split it and you're good to go. But that's not what they gave me. I had to make do otherwise. The kit does come complete besides that one piece missing. It's got all these nice little wire connectors. They send you tape. I guess that's a magnet to help you feed stuff through. Then here's your wire here. So what I did, I cut this off. See, snipped, spliced the wires, and I soldered them onto my light for the trunk. And as you can see, they're lit up. So I'm going to put them in. What I'm going to do now is tie this thing to the end of the light here. I'm going to tape that together. Feed it on through the hole, bring it out right here. Once I do that, then I'm going to take this, tuck it in back behind here, all the way up and around and down, all the way around the whole side. And I'll come back at nighttime, do another video, and I'll show y'all how it goes together. I don't have a fancy soldering gun either. Only thing I use was this. It's just a needle. Plug it into the wall, heats up on its own. And I got some solder here. That's all I used. Solder everything up. Okay, I'm outside now. And after I installed those lights earlier, let's see what this looks like at night. So here we go. There's my regular light. And look, there it goes. It came on just fine. Came on just fine. Looks great. So now I got this nice little glow in the back of my car. I can see a lot better in here. I kept the original light too. See? Right here, I kept the original light. And then here, instead of cutting it, making it even, I took it and put it up underneath it here because there was left over. I figured I'd do something with it. But that's just the way I handled it. Y'all can handle it a little different, of course, but I'm happy.